Hello everyone. I have an issue with this Mazda CX-5 infotainment system. I have sporadic touches in the screen that are happening without physical touching anything like the knob or the infotainment screen. It's usually happening when I'm driving and it changing randomly my radio stations. Many people are referring to these random touches as a ghost touches, and there are potential solution where you can buy a new digitizer. Most likely it's the elimination of the digitizer, or it can be something with the main board of the infotainment system. There are some options where you can buy the new digitizer from some of the online stores, but they're not that expensive. I saw some digitizers are around $50, but the thing is, I'm not using the touch screen functionality of this infotainment system. Mainly I'm using the knob. I'm used to that. So today I decided just to disconnect the digitizer through the ribbon. Before starting the actual work, it's highly recommended to disconnect the negative terminal of the battery, like that. Just put it aside. I have to pull this part of the dashboard, so it's supposed to be on this side. It's pretty easy. Be very careful when you're pulling that, just to prevent breaking the fasteners. And right here is the push button, so you have to disconnect this push button. Next, I have to remove this upper part of the dashboard, so it's pretty easy. Just pull it gently towards you. There it is. It's coming up. From this side, you can see you have to disconnect this part, and it's ready to go out. Okay, it's fully disconnected. At this point, you have access to the bolts and screws. This infotainment screen is fastened to the dashboard, so you have two from this side and two from the other side. These bolts are 10mm bolts, and before you start, I highly recommend you put something over here so that it prevents of anything falling in this air vents, just like that. Now I have to pull it towards me and just get the entire thing out. Okay, that's easy. Be very careful because there's some sharp edges and you can cut yourself. So this is how it looks from the back. The screen itself is connected with several screws, so I'm gonna remove them now. We have to disconnect this. And this is the infotainment screen. Now we have to disassemble the back cover, and this is the ribbon we have to disconnect with the digitizer. There are two screws on the back of the screen, one from this side and one from this side. Be very careful when you are opening the back cover of the screen. I'm using this tiny screwdriver, and you can just put it over here and twist it a little bit. This one is open, and from other side you can do the same thing. This is how the back cover looks from inside. So you have several clips. Actually there are two, one from this side and one from this side, and it's supposed to go out. This is the ribbon. See how this is connected. So this is supposed to go like that. Just carefully twist it, and this will pop open, and you can pull it towards you. Be very careful when you're doing this. Here it is. This is the ribbon. I will use electrical tape to isolate the ribbon to prevent it touching anything. Like so. gonna close this port like that, and I will put the ribbon just right behind it, so it doesn't touch anything. So now at this point of time, everything is done. We have fully disconnected digitizer, so there is no touchscreen functionality. I'm gonna use my knob, and I have to get everything together in reverse order. This is the cover. This is ready. Okay, we are ready at this point of time. It took me something like 15 minutes to get the infotainment system out of the car, and I'm ready to get the infotainment system back into the car. I'm back in the car, and I have the entire infotainment system with me. So let's connect everything as it used to be. Now when I have everything connected, let's put the entire infotainment system back in place. So you have to pull this one out. Just a little bit, it will be easier. There it is. Put this one in place like that. We can remove this towel. This is the upper part of the dashboard. Don't forget to connect it over here. Ready. This is the lower part of the dashboard. Connect the start stop button. Okay, and everything is back in place. Now next step is let's test out if everything is working fine. Let's connect the negative terminal, the battery. Back in the car, let's check if the infotainment system is working properly with the knob. Yeah, it's functioning. Everything looks good. All the functions are working okay. And that's all. Thank you for watching.